Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, this is Taisar Khan speaking and you're watching MTK vlogs. If you're still in your home country trying to decide what program and what university you want to go in, let it be masters or bachelors, that you want to do in Canada, Europe, US or UK, how you can inquire about a particular program in that university itself. So let's take an example of a student who wants to go abroad for Masters of Finance in Canada. So if you're going here, how will you get to know what is the program scope, what are the program opportunities, like after job opportunities after you do your program, and is there any co-op options with the university. So all this information you will get from LinkedIn. So basically it is a platform for professionals where you get all the information for students and other, like if you want any job opportunities and all. So how to get that information on what is the process that I will be going to cover in this video. So please subscribe, share and like the video so that in the future I get the motivation to upload more videos with detailed and more helpful information that will help you in the future. So let's not waste any time and start the video. This video is going to be a little straightforward because what experience I have is all I'm going to share in this video. So what happens is when you decide you want to do a program in US, example, you want to do Masters of Finance or Masters of Accounting in US. So what you do is you shortlist universities, or if you have not yet decided what programs you want to do, you shortlist some programs and shortlist universities according to the programs. Then you go to any agent. So you tell them you want to do basically this course in that university, like basically Masters of Finance in New York University, let's take that. So first he will not think of benefiting you, but he will see how he can benefit himself, or he or she will be getting any commission from that university that he is selected. So if he does not get any commission from the university he is going to select, from university you are going to select, he is not get commission, he will tell that the program or the university is not good and the program is also not in demand, and many random things that he will try to confuse you if you don't have any clarity in what you want, what program you want to do and in which university, and you believe him and go into his selection of university and program which you will not like. So now I'm going to show you how you can get clarity by using LinkedIn and avoid getting scammed by their choice of program. Here you may have to put in some efforts to better your future. So if you want to know a trusted source, it is LinkedIn. Here you can connect with the person of your niche. Example, I want to go into Masters of Finance in New York University. So how will you get to know if the program is in demand? What are the co-op options, and is the program worth studying, and many questions like this, how you can get a truthful answer, and you can get to know it with LinkedIn. So in this video I'm going to actually prove this method actually works and what I did in between when I got confused and I didn't know what program or which university and whom to ask all this details. So and also people every time gave different opinions because everyone is unique. So example, Masters of Accounting is in very demand, etc., etc. But the funny part is the person who is actually giving you this opinion has never been to Canada or never inquired about the program, that is it in demand or any co-op option is there, and he doesn't know what shit about the program. So at this time the only people you can trust is actually studied the program or pursuing this program. Only they will tell you what is the current situation about the program. And now I'm going to tell you what you have to do to find this truthful information. When I was doing my research, I went to Facebook and searched many Facebook pages to find what information is right and suitable, but I did not get any clarity at that moment because there were different opinions in Facebook also. So what I did with my program in LinkedIn, that same thing you can also do according to your program. So first I searched the program I wanted to do with the university name, and the main part is here you can see the results of students who have actually done their program or are pursuing their program in the same university. So in between, like a confused guy, I also wanted to take Masters of Accounting. So I asked some general people, some consultancies and agents. So what they told is the program is in very high demand, and they recommended to take this course only, not other courses regarding this topic like commerce industry. So everyone might tell you that this program is in demand, but only the person who is studying will know the truth. Is there really demand for the program or not? Everything he will. So now let's start the process to connect with a student. First, send him a connect request and multiple requests to different students with the same program, at least 10 to 15 students. In that, at least 4 will reply to you once after they connect, and you can talk to him asking for all the details you have doubt in. So when connected with the students, when I connected with the students, he told me that the program is very intensive and requires hard work. I was convinced, okay, I can do hard work, and there was no problem with that. But he told that the main thing is there is no job opportunities or co-op options after the program is finished. So basically it says that the program is not in high demand, and what the agents and all the people told are false. So like this, you can bring clarity of thought by connecting to students already pursuing the program, and also taking 2-3 different students opinions will also help, so that you can point out different things between the people you have already connected. So there might also be situations where students don't accept your connections here, or they might never reply to you because they are very busy. So what you can do here is take their full name, go to Instagram or Facebook, type their name, and somewhere you can get connected and talk. So he or she will eventually accept your connection request and answer your questions also. And also, as I said, in 10 students at least 3 or 4 will connect to you and answer all your questions. So from there also you can get clarity of thought. Also, there is a lot of information in processing, so this information might get confusing. So ask for people who have done or finished their program, so that you have very clear of what program you want to do, and if you really are looking for job opportunities abroad just for job, and what is the best program, you can ask for them. And also, if you have any relatives or friends who are in the same situation as I was, you can share this video with them. It will be a lot helpful, and don't forget to share my channel and subscribe. And also be sure to tell me how the video was regarding the information in the comment section, and if you have any doubts, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll be there and solve your queries. So I'll be bringing this type of more informational videos in the future. I'm doing this because I don't want you guys to be in the situation that I was in, and all the troubles was there in the process that I suffered. So let's meet in a new video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.